everyone! Nowadays, tasty cakes are very common and popular as tea and coffee mates. You can see there are many different kinds of cakes, such as mini cakes for kids, wafer cakes, and cheese cakes. These cakes are all produced from same automatic baking line provided by our company. Geocook machinery can provide fully automatic high-quality production lines with customization solution to ensure your product more efficient, safety, and high-qualified products. Now I'm going to show you how does our machine work and witness the on-site application of our equipment.
The raw materials are transported to the inflatable batter mixer equipment for cake production through conveyor pipe. High-qualified batter mixer can ensure the cake silky and smooth, uniform and stable density, help to produce beautiful appearance and delicate taste. Demolding oil sprayer is also a key device for facilitating cake demold and reducing the loss rate. The batter casting machine can be configured with multiple filling nozzles according to customers' requirement, which can simultaneously complete multiple baking cups filling operations in a very short time, greatly improving work efficiency.
Tunnel baking oven is also the baking device of the whole production line. Installation performance and temperature control system can ensure the quality of cakes and production efficiency.
The cake will go through the baking tunnel, which are carefully designed according to the customer's process requirement. This full automatic tunnel baking oven can achieve 360 degrees heating and baking. Also, its length and temperature control system also can be customized according to requirement. It has two thermal insulation layers. The inner side uses imported high-temperature efficient aluminum silicate insulation cotton, while the outer side is the airtight thermal insulation layer. Ensure that our machine has a good thermal efficiency. The heating area of the tunnel furnace is divided into upper fire and bottom fire, which are partitioned at the entrance, center, and exit of the furnace. The purpose of this design is to facilitate temperature control, so as to ensure the baking effect. After baking, the cakes need to go through the demolding machine. High performance of demolding machine is also a key link to ensure low breakage rate on ready-made cakes. In order to extend the cake taste and shelf life, the cakes will be delivered to packing unit through UV and ozone sterilization tunnel.
After sterilized and cooled, the cakes will convey and sorted to the pillow packing machine systems. This machine can fill nitrogen gas into the cake pack. Of course, you can also pack the preservative chips together with the cake in the pack. This packing unit is equipped with 5 packing machines with a packing capacity of 30,000 cakes per hour. Healthy and delicious steamed cake is also becoming more and more popular this year. We can also provide the fully automatic steam cake production line according to your requirements. So, if you want to learn more about the cake type and process, you can contact with us.